looks like it can absorb the DNA of whatever it comes into contact with.
And we've seen it can make things into nastier versions of themselves. What's that all about?
Sorry! Running for your life sure builds up an appetite.
I've got it. We'll go on a hunger strike.
That's a great idea.
It's freezing in here. I'm turning into a spicicle. Huh? What was that? I didn't hear anything. Gross, it's your stomach. It isn't gross, Alex. It's the music of protest. The soundtrack to my beautiful hunger strike with David.
Excellent. I'll contact you when we have the results. In the meantime, why don't you head back to school? You ought to be just in time for lunch.
Great, I'm starved. I mean, who can think about food when there's so much injustice in the world?